I'm Mathieu, and today I would like to introduce the ways of pairing a new Xpair transmitter with an existing receiver. As you may know, when you order a whole new set, it will come fully configured, so that you don't have much to do but to start it. But what if you want to add a spare transmitter, or maybe replacing a transmitter that you just lost? You will see that's not that hard. Just come with me and I will show you how to do it.
First step, unlock the transmitter by releasing the E-start push button here. Then set the on-off switch just here to on position. Then press aux1 and F1 here and set the on-off switch to start position here, just like that. Release everything. Then you can see the lights are blinking in a row to show you that the transmitter is searching for a receiver. Now you can see that the receiver that has been found is this one here. That's not the one I want. To go to the next one, I need to press aux2 push button here. The receiver that has been found is this one. To select it, I will need to set the on-off switch to start position here, but be careful, at the next step, you will have 20 seconds to select the good sequence to validate the pairing. Now you can see the receiver is blinking 3 times. That means I need to press F1 push button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then validate by the start push button here. And now, here we are, pairing is done. So now you just have to start normally the transmitter like that to check if it's working. And that's it.